Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video we will see how to download the Visual Studio Code into your Windows machine. So the first step would be you have to Google the Visual Studio Code and you will able to see the search results, and you can see the code.visualstudio.com is the official website through which we can download the VS Code editor. Okay, so just you have to click on that link, and on the home page, or you can say on the front page, you will able to see the download for Windows option. This is here. Actually this video is only for the Windows machine, so if you are using the Mac OS and Linux, you can go ahead and download this VS Code from this link only. Okay, so this video is only for the Windows, so let's go ahead and click on download for Windows. The first step is to click on download for Windows. It will download automatically. If after few minutes like you won't able to see the download is happening, so you can directly click in that link as well. Okay, so the executable file has already been downloaded, so we have to open that file, and it will get started soon. Okay, so I accept the agreement, click on I accept the agreement, click on next, and you can choose any location in which you want to download that VS Code editor. Okay, so click on next. Click if you can check this box if you don't want to create a start menu folder. Click on next. Now this step, I want to create a desktop icon. I will click on that. I will click on all the options. It's up to you, but I recommend it to click on all the options. Okay, so click on next and then click on install. It will take some time, not barely so much time. It will take a few seconds to be downloaded into your system. Okay, so just please wait for some while and it will be downloaded soon. It's super easy and it's a very good editor. I personally feel it's a very good editor. If you are a beginner or if you are an expert, it doesn't matter, it's a very good editor. Okay, so now the Visual Studio Code has already been downloaded into my machine, but the thing is I won't launch it right now. There are three options through which you can open your Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, now I click on finish. Okay, so now there are three different ways. One way is that you can directly click on that shortcut and it will open. The second method is like you can open your command prompt or Windows shell. You can type code, and if you enter na, the Visual Studio Code will get open into a system. Just wait for a few moments because it will take some time. So now you can see it's opening. Now we have successfully downloaded the Visual Code editor into our Windows machine and we have opened it successfully. Now I will close, and the third method is like you can open, like if I open from this. Okay, so we can also open this editor from this option. If you right click on that, you will get the open with code option. If you click on that, the VS Code will open in the same folder from which you have opened. You can see I have so many files here, and you can able to see there are so many files opening in the same folder. Okay, so now we have successfully downloaded, and we have seen there are three different ways through which we can open our Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, so this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly click on like button, and thank you so much for watching guys. Have a nice day.